Bema 10 gramo arguably. Ewi ejare correct.
For the sake of emphasis, I define the work dimensions for my presence.
Okay.
And it is for heinous stories. Not educational seminary.
What should I say?
Yeah, Titi is what you say.
Titi and Tia, you see, Debbie.
I mean, you mentioned certain words, and I said the definition of my purpose here is for words, heinosity of words, not educational function or seminary.
Okay. All right.
So don't whet the appetite of
school.
Exactly. By courtesy of my integral team, I'll just listen to the only two words of our listeners. So those who will send their words, they should send to Titi. And Titi will make sure he gives the words.
Okay.
And I'll select you. That is my prerogative.
Hey.
It is my prerogative.
And I
have the discretionary purpose. Oh, prerogative means it is my duty, personal duty.
Okay.
Come on. Me and Matthias
here.
Now, me show me 80 minutes share.
And then
Roma internet to go why you be bonding. Oh, yeah, shout out to my LPMs.
Shout out.
Some most internet network.
I've got send us to come back sponsor segment. The bomb send us to come back sponsor segment.
Almost segment, almost some. Baby,
on my sponsor segment.
I'm a boy. You're not doing what you mean. Oh,
maybe it's my like across the yeah, day.
Black
yeah.
And we send good morning to everybody listening to us, both diasporic and indigenous listeners.
That's right.
Now, Anopaya by ya the assembly nam, and somewhere sissing no, Nsem Sisi. But not the it is too iconic. Iconic issues and we also make sure we do due diligence to expatiate the consequences and the obstacles.
But
how can I sit in this situation? Black
yeah
and Samasi Nana Agyei brief as possible.
Okay,
as usual. I give you the order. Give 2-3 people acknowledgement.
2-3 people acknowledgement.
Emilia Ba. I say, hey, CP, you're looking great. Me, I am a great man. Me want first,
Bema 10 grams.
Exactly. To give 2, add more 2.
That's right. Today the first word is
no, not word. Acknowledge the
Facebookers.
I see Reverend Osebudu here. Was more fire. I'm doing selective mentioning.
Okay.
Doris Do is here, more fire. Comfort Sheet was say, CP, you look lovely.
Really?
As for lovely, I look.
It
doesn't matter. It is not for me. It is my tie. Machine Yakasem say no na ye. Doesn't mean say no na kasa.
Punchline.
Don't bring yourself. Mumma me story cry. Mumma me black eye story no. Yeah. Black.
And Elizabeth Keller says, hey, bro.
Okay.
Kokiji says, look, my boss is looking great. And Sadiq Kwame Bar says, I love you, CP. And Loco Kamaru says, much love, CP. I love this show. Robert Edun, can you say it? Is he standing? Hey, my type.
Let me make certain circumstantial acknowledgement to the unperturbable and invaluable our listeners and watchers who are watching us. We say we value you to the equilibrium and then to the extent of immeasurable state.
Wow.
Yes, that's the value we have for you. It's when you come on the you share, subscribe, and have a let somebody come and watch
on Facebook.
Exactly. Adom 106.3 FM.
That's right.
Oh, I see your dressing is extra. Oh.
Yeah. You are looking really good. I
am a dresser.
I feel that you are a dresser.
Exactly. You don't know me. Now, Black.
Yeah.
Case number 1. One shamin kind.
Yes, share.
One shamin ye.
Mon share.
Okay, yes, I need be.
Case
number 1. Me penam baby answer my chance here.
Yanko.
Case number Okay.
Okay.
Case number 1. Restore my virginity before I agree to divorce.
Hey.
Who is making this outrageous demand?
Sir.
This demand, in a grammatical circumstances, we call it marital bombardment.
Wow.
Marital bombardment. It means when there is a bombarding in the marriage. Bombarding. It means the marriage is not stable. There is lack of stability.
Wow.
Marital stability is a symptom of this statement.
Wow.
Restore my virginity before I agree to divorce.
That's right.
Who said it and what is the setting? In fact, the setting refers to location.
Okay.
And who is the originator of this statement?
Okay.
It's a woman.
Oba.
A customary court. Our Nigeria.
Okay.
Anna wamutrasiye. Anna baba wa wanini kuna wari for some years now. Ababa wa your friend say Suliat. And in our dispensation, when we say Suliat, when we say Su, it means something. Liat also means another thing.
Suliat.
So this Suliat woman, Nikruni, your friend is Latif. And a Latif, this Suliat, Ako courts.
Okay.
Latif dragged his wife, bedmate, spousal companion.
That's right.
To the legal apparatus.
Wow.
To interpret legalism surrounding marital divorcity.
Hey.
And so the man was trying to activate the limit of divorcity.
Fantastic.
Trying to divorce a wife. That is divorcity.
And no
Now, she lacks human respect.
Okay.
And for that matter, I want to enter into the realms of divorcity so that I disown her from matrimonial home.
Okay.
And reimpose and reinstate another woman in terms of remarriage.
Wow.
Because okay. And the court was so accommodative in listening to the plea and the play.
Okay.
So he was pleading and playing that this is the situation.
Okay.
And the judge, in fact, the judge who was sitting in the chair, proceeding the court issues, was able to consume every statement of the husband.
Wow.
And after that, the wife, who is the accused, the divorcean, listened to the whole thing. And also, Esron was say, I have a statement to make. And almost okay, then I can watch it. Maybe what I was not sexually active. I had never tasted the aroma of sex.
Wow.
So in other words, my virginity was intact and unblockable. I said,
oh, okay.
But say kusi awa boy hini. This all the boy boom.
Okay.
And how did that woman?
I tell you.
Na ahinabu.
I tell you.
And then what Timiako? Eti Latif was the rat hunter.
Okay.
He was breaking the hini. He said hini brewa. Breaker.
Okay.
Etu na uche me yimo. High mine. High mine no ya diebia.
Say oya oba no bia fa no fa da. Uwo
bie sinsem ti say net e de so ne abesu.
Okay.
It take the penicillin. The core. It's the only two to break the hymen. So this man used his core.
Two syllable words.
Exactly, to break the hymen.
Okay.
And I'm go and maintain my hymen.
Okay.
Where the for? Since you fit how
is it possible?
And possible means come and have me again. You cannot repair the hymen without having the woman. And was one restore my virginity, mommy.
And sana
my place in the jam in the jai.
Wow.
I know that chair what the marco do so I am a draw. And I'm the warning Chama Madrina is unstable mentality.
Okay.
And until one stabilizing my mentality. So that I can accord succumb to his and coho to his poho.
And Koho.
To his poho.
Wow.
Ama chese matiasie. Se metime jawa de no. Ama kwa tinetena sidin. And was with dear. Restoration of virginity ni dear. We can restore everything, but virginity is not restorable. Asabra baba wano. Wadi ni sio. Ana etiwa wosu.
Ow.
Black ye.
Yeah.
Case number 2. Pastor caught a legendary planting charm on his cousin's land.
What should I say?
Was up we Reverend Paul Abam Ana Abam. And sorry, Cross River State. That is the Edo State in Nigeria.
Okay.
And certain animal guasi. He has been publicly ridiculed and disgraced and lambasted by the general public. Sir, on one cousin on the Wo pesika Jeff in the cousin ho. Anunti wakwa and wakwa for juju. Edia question the cousin assassin so. Said the bay a cousin back at and said, ya dear. Or so for pani betumame. Eti betumame no charge no. No jajinisika. Say why you near to teno. I'm a sabre. Yakohuno. I'm an animal guasia. If I tell you the volume and the density of the disgrace, it is immeasurable.
Just say
immeasurable volumes of disgrace. Et wayano. San wa moti teno. And we kutu amna kuku. And what did you jumbo tonum motonim suruwisa efomwisa oba Facebook or so fi wodina. Nata denkwa wona ne utimi disi abrosan.
Momra Facebook says here, yeah, Adom 106.3 FM.
It is just not easy. Man, ya timi capture no. And I just why yes anya kuma din nyina. Sira bi ebetimi afran se be duro.
Na edeba na kutani.
Ubisa, wo de be hwebi.
Hey,
just come and see.
Na dey no dey see it su. No how na te from hoyi.
Oh.
Ene be na gugu hoyi.
Osofu na dan no sa.
Na dey no dey no tu.
He is a metaphysical being.
Yeah, momra Facebook says here, momra Facebook says here.
And ya tinwa. Sabre wo tim from ho. Na esi won tu ade no de abehwe wa. Anim guasie na aka no.
Ade na waturu na dan na so na na.
Ania. Hey, Ania.
Ade ba de kokko na wachichire da hoyi.
O we ya den. Say juju.
Yesuma ya na say den.
Ya things of juju.
Momra Facebook says here, momra Facebook na me hwe. Momra Facebook na me hwe this here. Momra Facebook na me hwe this here.
It is so something. Enwa. Black ye. Case number 3. This story dear.
I tell you. Why would I down? Akwama so.
This story dear.
Akwama so.
OPD. Oh, I'm going to na me kura frame say mumo mi dincha me ya frame say me ya frame say
me kan so me tie fo aba kire wo dia
atie fo mo frame di ma me na me kan
mo frame di ma no me kan
mi di
afa wo frame OPD
me kan mi di na asem ne ba no de tie me kan OPD no ya didi ho nsam adidi no yi ba ku free ma akasan
edidi
no maka didi battery eti manos wa na kasan
2
bo nti akasa bonse adidi enti manos wa bi makasan
edi
enu ya adie na enu na wonu abada atanda ayimframada
David
fratwetin
in the process of doing it.
Organism and no organism. Orgasm. Why you from mother?
Debbie. Now why you be that?
Sister, dear, one in 9. What done in 9 in the process?
Send a home banner.
Hey,
and the spiritual.
Lisbeth Aye. Callahan. And no one wants a Callahan. Anything. Callahan is the same name. You know, the word Callahan, do I have your permission to explain?
Okay.
Because it is part of the story to make it very audible.
How many syllables?
It's just 2 syllables.
Okay.
Callahan means a rented color, a rented comprehension. You see, when you were born black, and you go and use cream, and you become red, you have rented the color. It is not your original color.
What rent it?
I rent it. And to be what used to be our color hanic.
Color hanic.
Color hanic. What high color? You get it?
What be you?
Color high.
Color
high. What high color?
Okay.
And you know you're black and was trying or you're red.
Red, sir.
Good. And the color high. And was say, what could you branch be a Chris on in a tin mu and the Emperor Dia? Was it none was she a Chris one pump mathematics segregation?
That's right.
And one way, when you see ya. I said, Joshua Dino. I said, when the Bassa, I said, we were not Dino. Oh, I farewell. Tessan, who's no. The embarrassment and the embryo was making impact.
That's right.
And we are young. So when you said, Abraham, jump from her.
Okay.
And unfortunately, it was not a stable predator. It was a spreading predator.
Can you imagine?
And the bad city in Yano, while Yaguso. Amateur Santiam, what yet Tiam, a gem of me, Jamnayomi, by Manuswan, Tinwajano. Amateur send the process, no, what did Jan and Yagunua? Well, we are not just from KVIP. And it was a continuous. Or Jan round 1, Jan 1, round 2, round 3, and around 24. We are no more than you, Majanam, KVIP.
I swear.
And I say, a hotel Rafono, ever find so flashy woman minute toilet in our point.
Can you imagine?
That is the same movie here. Who quiet sex? Got toilet as well, sex and panaso. I was a who did this one for chair? Why did you cry? It is food transmogrified. Who need the Yasan? Edyanina, no, Yamsano. What do you call your business?
Let's do some words. Let's do some words.
Oh, where's my internet not coming?
Maybe I would be in China near more.
Oh, now Mama is here. Then I'm there to 2080.
Oberempong.
Mama is in from that 12.
Oberempong. Where's our banner doors by the for 2? 2. Yeah, for 2. The first one is.
Also, my allowance in what you go.
BBI is solid. BBI is solid. BBI is solid. BBI is solid. Ode poultry farm Kusiana de Bibudia.
Okay.
The first word is tetanus.
You see the word tetanus.
Tetanus.
I was meditating, and in the process of the meditation, and our word Ibaye. And whoever produced that word, tell him to listen carefully, attentively.
Tetanus.
Tetanus is a 2-syllabic word.
2-syllabic word.
Now, the first syllable is titan.
Okay.
From somebody to frat weight. Who be you from a titan.
Okay.
And the second syllable is nose.
Nose.
You are winning. Nostrils.
Okay.
I think abnormally no. Can you pay you from a funny too? But obit me ya debia. Now you from a funny him.
Okay.
Tetanus. Obia what?
I tell you.
You from a funny him.
A funny him.
Titan.
Nos. Okay.
What titan? A funny him.
Okay.
I
feel my
when you see the anus.
We are serious.
To pay him from a
sir, or you see him. Sir, or him.
Sanko for no humigusua. As a free China by.
I tell you. As well.
Tetanostica symptoms.
Okay.
Or tetanus.
Okay.
Good.
Let's move on to the second word for today.
Okay.
Multiply.
Oh, multiply is a very simplicator word.
Multiply.
It's a 2-syllabic word.
2-syllabic word.
The moment you hear multiply, it's 2 syllabics.
Okay.
And the first syllable is malt.
Malt.
The malt, the beverage we drink as malt. And the second syllable is ply. It's a carpentry tool.
Okay.
A tool like a carpenter. Ply.
Ply.
So multiply means multiply. You did ply in the tuso. Multiply. And without that ply, you cannot open that malt.
Okay.
Oh, that's it. That is multiply. Malt and ply. A very this presentation way.
What's the dose bad? You have had the Academy chef fridge.
Good.
You have had the Academy chef fridge. You have had the Academy chef.
Now you're going.
Okay.
As and when we come again, and as and when I agree to say it, then I'll say it. Eti black aye. Yeko. Watching.
Friday, Thursday.
I may not come.
Oh, Obeba.
I'm not certain.
Obeba.
I'm hanging within the spirit of incentive.
Abuti, Obeba.
I will not come tomorrow.
It's Roma. Say Fridays in Guanam.
I have a program with my wife tomorrow in the house. No, I don't do that in the night.
Okay, Yana Humachi. Yana Humachi.
Ochina.
I'm matching and so sorry, promote the party. Yana Humachi.
Ochina Sembiasi. If I teach him, you will break it. Let him produce for the banny, the buy no Pesmeka. Ochina Meka.
Into your charity, Yanaba. Okay. Yo, Ochina, that it now soon a baby production, and I bet baby are not in the story. The Bekwa question. Oberempong CP, thank you so very much, my brother. Englishman, or no?